So hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you and evolving the new Godzilla unit Lizard in Anime Vanguard. So now I have these cakes saved up and he is on banner now. So now let's begin. Okay, and I'm just going to quickly claim this unit in that. Okay, 350. Do I have any shiny units? Nope, I ain't sacrificing my whole stuff for that. I'm trying to get Archer to get Sharo, the Hero of Justice, because I have had no luck pulling him, and now I also have these. Okay, one more thing. No. Okay, now let's see. Now the main man himself, Lizard. And as you can see, I'm almost halfway to the pity of Dio. I need this guy right here. I need it. I'm telling you. But let me just quickly go over and craft myself a luck potion because I wanna up the chances of getting myself a Dio, and oh my god, I'm so good. So let's just wait on that. And Gilgamesh, this is literally just after the time I posted my Vanguard Sung Jinwoo video. So now let's continue. Okay, now let's see. I only have 30, so I'm going to get 30. Spend 30,000 and check if I have, because its evolve item also requires I think 5,000. Okay, now let's see. Oh my god, I'm not getting even any love. Why? Okay, did I even get anything? I got a Quetzalcoatl, Newsman, and how the heck do I have these cats? Nope. Looks like I have no luck. Yep, I have 0 of these right now, so oh my god. Yep. Looks like I'm going to be showing you Frieza today, Frieza Emperor. Okay, so Frieza Emperor today it is. And let me just quickly go over and roll a trait on my spot because I really need Deadeye on him. Because if we get Deadeye, he will be busted, I'm telling you. Or Monarch. But I really don't want Monarch on him, really. So now let's see. Let me just swap out Gilgamesh for Frieza. Okay, now let's continue. Now also have this Smith, but I am not going to evolve this. Okay, now here's Frieza. So now let me show you his kit, and he's actually a pretty simple unit. So now let's continue. For this, I actually say that you should get if Broly, and for that you need a Frieza, and you also need Gogeta and Goku. So what you have to do is essentially get Frieza from the banner, evolve him, then clear the dungeon with him, and then you have a 20% chance to get Gogeta. And why the heck? What the heck happened to my avatar? Yep, I hate this. Not my Gilgamesh skin. No, my god. Why? Let's just see. Oh, and now I'm back. Now I'm in all my glory. Let me just wait for the textures. It is going to be like another 40 seconds. And while honestly, I just can't with this game. I can't even. Okay, now I'm going to show you his attacks, and he's actually a pretty simple unit. And let me just turn on. Do I have it on? Okay, now his first attack. What is it even called? I know. I think. Why they reach the Emperor's army? Oh, I think it is just a simple purple blast. No, it is a purple laser. I just can't with this god awful forsaken internet of mine. Why? I can't even see if his circle fully away. What the heck is he? Let me see. Oh my god. Let me just upgrade him for now. Murder range. So I think it's pretty much a circle. And has he gone golden yet? Nope. Hey, what? What? His textures aren't even loading in. Yeah, this is yeah. Now we're talking. But rain is actually fully away. Wow, I'm really surprised. It's in the name. Rain. Okay, now so he was a phone actually, and I'm just going to quickly sell him and see. I don't know why I'm raging today, but I'm just raging a hell lot today. Now let's continue. Murder Rain, and I wanna murder him. And now here's Barrage, which turns into a lion. Okay. And he has turned golden from Murder Rain. Okay, Golden Frieza. Honestly, it would be a whole lot of epic if it was, I think, Black Frieza. At least, there was this one YouTuber who showed if what could happen if Zamasu took over Frieza's body instead, and he showed us Rose Gold Frieza. And if they already done fictional characters like Diablo Requiem, so fan made concept, so Rose Gold Frieza wouldn't be too much of a stretch. So now the main thing is passives, then the Emperor's army. Okay, the Emperor's army, this unit can place 3 minions: Alien Cadet, Alien Soldier, Alien Elite. They should have added Ginyu, I think, and there are they. Okay, Lord Frieza gains effect based on every Alien Cadet, 15 places, plus damage if 3 place summons 1 Alien Cadet for 100% damage for every Alien Soldier. No, I ain't going to read all that. You guys can. Okay, now this Alien Cadet. Okay, now each man also requires money. With Monarch, this guy is actually pretty insane, and you can see his damage went about 5k. So now, okay, another Alien Cadet. And why the heck do I see? Honestly, I aren't even going to question it. Why do they even have a CD stuck in their head? Okay, now if 3 are placed, I think they should summon. Yeah, 45k summons. Not bad, not bad. Honestly, Holosef is doing a whole lot better. So let me just show you what I mean. Okay, here is Holosef. Let me just switch out Scorpion. Okay, now we just deal with the Holosef, and let me show you his summons. What? Oh, 200k. I was actually pretty confused why they were doing 17k. Did they nerf him or something? Okay, now let me just quickly place back Frieza. Yeah, oh, sorry guys. I got some bills to pay. Okay, now let's see. Okay, if 3 are placed, he can become immune to debuffs and status effects. Okay. Not bad, I think. Yeah, but he doesn't gain actually some damage from that. Oh, he actually gains range. So that's good. Let me just quickly sell these minions. Oh, and our alien cadets have reached. Wow. His army is now getting short-staffed. Okay, and these are the main ones for damage. They do 21k, 21k, and 21k. Okay, so let me wonder. I'm just going to quickly add up all his damage. Sorry, DPS. I think first ones are better for the summon because they also buff his damage and summon, but they give him more damage, but he's doing like 8k, 8 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. I think 11, 14, 17 plus 3000, 20k. And let me show you what the heck can Broly will do. Nah. If you get Broly, you can just do this thing. Okay, now he's doing 13k. And with his crit, he should be doing a hell lot more. Okay, now. So with this, he does 70, something like that. 90 crit rate, okay, 100. And 2 times damage. Like, he's doing 26k damage. And I'm just not going to even talk about his Deadeye and all that stuff, I think. Because he can also buff himself. Very nice. Yes, see, he buffed himself. And he's also 3 placement. And I'm wondering how many placement is actually Frieza. 3. Okay. I think I will rate Frieza. I think he has insane Monarch potential for Frieza, but I don't have the time or even resources to get something on Frieza. So I think I would personally rate him 6 out of 10. I think. So guys, that was my Frieza showcase, and if you like it, please like and subscribe so I can continue making more videos like this. Okay guys, bye.